Protein shakes are one of the easiest ways to get a high protein meal in when you're on the go or in a hurry. And that's what I'm going to be demonstrating today, is how to make one of those. And so there's a lot of benefits to protein shakes. And one of the first benefits is it repairs your muscle fibers quickly. So if you lift a lot, then drinking one of these afterwards would help you put on muscle faster. Another thing that it would be is supplementing protein into your diet if you don't have enough. And so in college, this is why it's important to you guys, because if you don't have a lot of money in college, you're going to have the choice to eat a lot of carbohydrates or eat nothing if you don't have enough money. And so this is an easy way to still get enough protein into your diet if you're not eating a high price diet. Because beef is expensive, chicken's pretty cheap, but it's hard to get a consistent, quick protein source in, and this is one of them. For the first thing that you need to do is you need to make sure that you enjoy the taste of the protein powder you buy. And so I just get Gold Standard. It's a pretty basic form, it has good ingredients and stuff, but that's up to you. Make sure you enjoy the taste, and don't buy a lot at first, because I did that, speaking from experience, and if you get tired of the flavor, then it's just a waste of money because you're not going to drink it. Okay, so this is the 3 basic ingredients of a protein shake for me. I normally will have milk or water, depending on if I'm trying to cut or not. So during football, I was drinking milk because I wanted to stay heavy. But you can also, I know intense lifters and stuff, they drink coconut milk and rice milk, almond milk, and those all have extra protein in them still without the calories that milk comes with. And the second part is a banana, and I just add that just because I enjoy the taste of it, and it's healthy for you. So if you're going to eat it anyways, it's just quicker to just throw it in the glass, and it makes it a lot creamier. And the third thing is protein, more of it, peanut butter, and that's really good. You guys all know what that is. So, and the third thing is ice, or sometimes I didn't bring it, but frozen fruit. That adds a lot of. It makes your protein shake a lot more filling, and it makes it more like a smoothie if you like fruit. And so if you're trying to cut, add ice. If you're just trying to have protein and you're trying to put on lean muscle, I would have ice if I were you. And this is the third thing, and this is something I'll add. It's Nature Valley Quaker Oats. If I'm replacing it with a meal, I just don't have time to eat, I'll just throw this on top, and I don't like it blended up a lot, so I'll add it in at the end, and I'll show you guys. And so the first thing that I'm going to add today is the milk. And like I said, milk comes with a lot of benefits just on its own. If you drank this after you lifted or just replaced it with a meal instead of water, you'll notice you have muscle increase, especially if you're lifting. And the second thing is just a healthy scoop of this right here. And I normally add about 2 tablespoons, but it doesn't really matter. Depends how you like it. An important thing that I would tell you to do is just taste it as you move along, rather than at the very end, because it's a lot easier to add things in just as you're going. It makes it a lot easier. And this is the ice, and then the protein. And this will make a big drink. This will make 60 ounces. I'll be drinking it all morning if I lift before school. And so that's just something that you need to take into account when you're making it, how much liquid you add and stuff, because, I don't know, ending up with a ton kind of sucks because you waste at the end of it, which you don't want to do, especially if you're on a budget like in college. All right, so now you just blend it up. I don't even know. That'll be good just for the demonstration, but I like it smoother normally. And then I'll add this in at the end, just for more carbohydrates, like I said, and calories. And I'll pulse that for about 5 seconds. And now I'll get it. And that'll get it mixed in, but not really chopped up, because, I don't know, finally, grain, like fine grain oats don't really taste as good. That's just an opinion though. Like if you want to grind it up more, it'll taste good. And examples of other things that I like to add is I'll add ice cream if I'm trying to put on a lot of weight. That's really good too. It tastes like a milkshake. And also like chocolate chips, like Sammy Sweet. That's really good. And that's it. That's all I have to demonstrate for you guys today is the 3 or 4 steps that it takes to make an easy protein shake. And thank you guys for listening to me today.